Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today I am back with very exciting haul video for you all, and if you want to know what's in today's video, then please keep on watching. So I recently shopped a lot of clothing items from Snapdeal, and they have come back with amazing collection at very affordable pricing. Do check out their app, and I will have all the link in the description box of the products which I'm going to show you guys. Also, the people out there who says कि Snapdeal पे fake सामान मिलता है, just to let them know that Snapdeal doesn't provide any fake products, guys. They have 100% authenticated and genuine products. जो दिखता है वही मिलता है. Like whatever you see on the site, you get that itself at your door. I've told many things about Snapdeal. Let me just show you what I actually picked up from Snapdeal. So the first product which I'm going to show you is my favorite, which is my first ever bodycon dress. This is the bodycon dress, and it's in a maroon color. It's a very nice stretchy material. The quality, again, I'm telling you, it is so good, guys. So I will have all the links in the description box because I clearly don't remember how much I paid. So this time I went a little different with my actual collection. So I went with the bodycon dress and different colors because I wanted to experiment. So here I go with the next one. So the next one is this green dress. Again, it's so pretty. I never worn any green color dress, guys, and it has got this long sleeves. You can pull it up and you can even wear it like this. Now tie-dye t-shirts is all over again, guys, and this is beautiful tie-dye t-shirt which says babe here, and it is so comfortable, and I really like the material as well. It's very nice, soft, cottonish kind of thingy. Moving on, I picked up this lycra pant, and this is super stretchable, so comfortable, breathable material. I wasn't expecting this, and this is a pant which everyone should have in their wardrobe. It's like a must-have pant. Style this pant in so many different ways, and it comes with this large bottom area. Considering this festive season, I also picked up a couple of Indian attire. So I got this red color kurti which has got this all over gotapatti at the bottom, around the sleeves. I am so in love. Pants are not the most comfortable one, but yeah, I can still manage it because you have a slit around. It is slightly tight on me, but yeah, I can still manage this dupatta all over the dupatta. You have this gotapatti work. I really like it. And the last product which I have is my favorite one, which is this beautiful saree, guys. I love this saree. This has this Indian classical dance sort of print going on, and you get this border at the anchal. You have already seen me wearing this. I have got tons of compliment when I wore this saree, and this is very comfortable and so reasonable. I can't even tell you guys. Check out the description box for the link to get instant snap cash of rupees 150, and you can download the app, and yeah, you can start shopping, and happy shopping, guys. With that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye, guys.